Hello children, good morning, good afternoon, good evening whenever you're watching my video, and welcome back to your class 6. Today we have to do the back exercises of chapter 5 today, and before we start the class I wish you a very happy and safe Diwali, and beside your studies you need to enjoy yourself as well. So be safe and then celebrate your Diwali. So let's start the class with our back exercises of chapter 5. So we have to do question number 2. Question 2 we have already done during the live class. So question 3, remplissez les blancs avec la bonne conjugaison d'être ou d'avoir, which means fill in the blanks with the right conjugation of verb être and avoir. So first sentence is je / une fille, I a girl. So I cannot say I have a girl. I would say I am a girl. So verb être will come. Remember, if you have a sentence where you fill in the blank, where the blank is having any object after this blank, so then we are going to put avoir. If it is showing any adjective, then it will take verb être of or anything which contains name, then again it takes verb être, right? So first one is je suis une fille, I am a girl. So A part, first blank will take suis, I am a girl. Then je / une robe. Une robe is it's an object. It's an object. Then we are going to write avoir. J'ai une robe, I have a dress. I have a dress. So apostrophe is already there, so you just need to write AI. With verb avoir, je always takes AI. Je suis une fille, j'ai une robe, I am a girl and I have a feminine dress. Then Paul / 3 livres. Paul has 3 books, right? So again, an object, it will take verb avoir. Paul means il, then we are going to put a. Verb être and avoir, these are 2 basic verbs that you have to learn by heart. Then il / petit. Petit is an adjective. That means you have to use verb être. Adjectives will always take verb être and the objects will always take avoir. Okay? So ils sont petits, they are small. Paul has 3 books, they are small. Then C part. Elle / étudiante. Étudiant, again an adjective. She is a student. So then you have to write est. LA, verb être. Then elle / une trousse. She has a pencil box. Then pencil box, an adjective. So we have to use verb avoir. Okay? Elle takes a. Now C part. Then D part. Nous / grand. Nous / grand. We are tall. Tall is an adjective. Then verb avoir. Verb être. Nous sommes. We are tall. So if you are knowing the translation, then rather it's quite easy to judge what would come. Nous slash une grande chambre. We have a big bedroom. Nous avons. With verb avoir we use nous avons. Okay? Now, next one. Il slash de voiture. They have 2 cars. We cannot say they are 2 cars. So they have 2 cars. Ils ont. Right? Then les voitures sont mauvaises. Means there we have adjective. The cars are bad. So sont. Plural. Il plurial or el plurial always takes SONT. Right? So this was question 3. Now come to question 4. This is just match the column. So look at your book only. Relier les colonnes. Relate the columns. First one is 51. So where do we find 51? 51. The fourth one. First we'll go with the fourth one. 51. Then 62. 62. Fifth one. 62 we call 62. The last one. Then 80. C part. We'll go with the second one. 80. 80. It is 80 second one. 91. 91. Where is 91? First one. First one is 91. Then 76. 76. Third one. So last we'll go with third one. So first is 62. Then first is 51. Then B part 62. Then 80 is 80. 91 91. Then 76 is 76. Third one. Right? Now come to the last question. Remplissez le blanc avec l'exemple. In this example we have given the first blank is always with indefinite article and the second blank definite, because here the first one is not having any specification and the second part is having specification, right? So let's start. Nous avons slash robe. Robe is plural and we do not have any specification, then indefinite article. What will come with robes in indefinite? It's they. They. Right? D part, DES, then LES. Right? Because the same noun is given. Ce sont les robes de mariée. Specification that these clothes are of Mari, right? So nous avons des robes. Ce sont les robes de mariée. We have some dresses and these are the dresses of Mary. So they and les. Then tu as slash voiture. You have a car. Car is feminine, so une. And c'est la voiture de Miriam. So this is the car of Miriam. Then la. Now D part. J'ai slash bonbon. I have a candy. Then candy is masculine, then C'est slash bonbon de Mohit. This is the candy of Mohit. So definite article le. Then vous avez slash livre. You have some books because S is there. Then DES. These are the books of Paul. So it's specified the books are belongs to Paul. So we are going to write LES. So that's all. We are through with chapter 5. And in the next class, we are going to talk about chapter 6. And very important, your exams are coming near. If you have any query, do talk to me. Do message me, or you can do ask me questions during the live class, as we are going to have our live class soon. So on Wednesday, on Tuesday. So work hard, achieve good marks, and be appreciated by others. So till then, bye bye.